Here I have Archos Access 57, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the more section, hotspot and tethering, and here you have Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can turn it on. For it to work, you have to make sure if you have your mobile internet connection. You can also access some settings of this hotspot here, like keep hotspot on. Here you can set its name. Here you can select which type of the security protocol you want to have. Here you can change your password. You can also change your AP band, maybe or maybe not, and you can select the maximum connections here. You can also hide your SSID, and there is also a whitelist feature here, and you can also control the connected users here. You can also control the blocked users here. You can also enable hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.